around the world. It is a crime what we believe at Christmas time. When there's a cough in your tub and you eat that thing up, you're in Poland. If you eat lutefisk and you don't end up sick, you're in Poland. If you hate Brussels sprouts and you have doubts, try Smålehove. They burn a sheep's head, I hope after it's dead. That's in Norway. If you're trying your luck, you can try Tikokak. It's Korea's. It's anchovies and kelp. You eat it, you need help from Jesus. It's true that they eat mopane worms in Zimbabwe. Caterpillars are a treat they say cannot be beat. That's a gross aim. If you love KFC in Japan, they agree. Christmas dinner, fried chicken, of all the marketing schemes that I've seen, I say this one's the winner. Finger licking, fill your belly with meat jelly from the deli in Ukraine. That's holodex and I bet that it makes turnip scene amazing. And the worst Christmas diet, and I pray you don't try it, is from Greenland. It's just gross and it's sick and they call it Kiwiak. It's just wrong, man. Woo. You think I'm fooling you, but these are all true, Signore. Have a great Christmas day, just don't eat the fruitcake. It's a gross egg, turkey for Christmas. It's the